In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Zoom. Sharing your screen is one of the quickest ways to present information clearly in a meeting, and it only takes a few clicks. First, join or start your Zoom call. Once you're in the meeting window, look along the bottom toolbar and click the Share button. If the toolbar isn't visible, just move your mouse to bring it up. Clicking Share opens the Share window, where you can choose exactly what you want others to see. At the top, you'll notice 3 tabs: Screens, Documents, and Advanced. To keep things straightforward, we'll focus on the Screens tab. This view shows thumbnails of everything you can share. You'll typically see your entire displays, labeled as Screen 1, Screen 2, and so on, along with individual application windows you have open. Choosing an entire screen is great when you plan to switch between multiple apps and want your audience to follow along without interruption. Just keep in mind that anything on that screen, including notifications or open tabs, will be visible, so it's a good idea to close anything private before you begin. Alternatively, selecting a single application window shares only that app and keeps everything else hidden, which is helpful when you want to stay focused and avoid distractions. On the right side of the share window, you'll see presenter layout options. These control how your content and your camera appear to participants. Content only fills the screen with what you're sharing and is ideal for a clean, distraction-free view. As background places your content behind you, so you appear in front of it. Over the shoulder makes your camera appear as if you're standing beside your content. Side by side puts your video and the shared content next to each other, giving both equal presence. Pick the layout that best fits your style and the type of content you're presenting. Below, you'll find a few helpful toggles. ShareSound lets participants hear audio from your computer. Turn this on if you're playing a video or demo with sound. Optimize for video sharing. Smooths motion for clips and animations, which keeps playback from appearing choppy. Share Zoom Windows allows you to include Zoom's own interface in the share, useful if you're demonstrating how to use Zoom itself. When everything looks right, click Share. Your audience now sees exactly what you selected, with the layout and settings you chose. Keep your cursor movement purposeful, speak to what's on screen, and you're good to go. That's all. Happy presenting.